This time, I thought I'd give you a little tour of my home. As you can see, it's kind of loud here. It's actually really loud here. Quite a bit of noise. So this is my living room. Let me just climb down here. Wonderful. So yeah, this is my living room. And I'm just going to take a walk down here. A little bit quieter down here. This is my front door, right over here. My front door. And this is my bedroom, right here. This is where I live. It's a nice room, as you can tell. Has a lot of very comfy amenities. This is my back door. Also, I don't know where I'm going with this. So yeah, that's pretty much my house in a nutshell. Hope you enjoyed it.